Next example, we're continuing with the same problem, but we're introducing another layer of complexity, and this is foreign exchange conversion. So we have the product that is being sold in the United States is also sold in UK. Now, given the exchange rate, how do you price the product in UK? So what should be the price in pounds? Okay. And also we want to do some sensitivity analysis with respect to the exchange rate. What if exchange rate changes? Okay, so now let's go to the Excel file. Okay, so unit cost is still $50. Okay, and we are assuming the exchange rate from dollar, how many dollars per pound is $2.04. So these two are given values. Okay. In that case, equivalent unit cost in pounds will be, if you take, okay, let's give names first. So the unit cost in pounds then is that. Okay. Now suppose if our demand function is given. Okay, let's assume that. Okay. Otherwise, we have to take at least 2 points, price and demand points from UK, and then we have to come up with this function. Okay, we are assuming constant elasticity demand. We can try other possibilities if we like. Then price is the changing cell. Okay, and so demand, we're going to use these two values. So constant p sub 0 times price to the power of elasticity. Okay. Now of course it is divide by 0 because there is nothing there. So if you put some value there, then you'll have a number. Okay. Okay, now profit, then let's give names. Okay, we didn't name cost, so let's give a name here. Okay, so now the profit is price, which is in pounds. So we need to subtract the cost, which should also be in pounds. Now if you multiply that with the demand, so this will give us profit in pounds. But what we want is profit in dollars, so multiply by the conversion rates. Each pound is worth $2.04. Multiply by that, then we have profit in dollars. Okay. Okay, now we're going to, that's our objective function. So now let's use solver. Okay, we want to solve for profit maximization. By changing cell is price, and we want that price to be greater than or equal to cost equivalent in pounds. Okay, now we go into options, go to GRG nonlinear, uncheck this and check that. Okay, now solve. So we have a global solution, converge to a global solution. So here is the price that we need to charge in UK, and that will be the demand, and this will be the profit in dollars for us. Change the format. So now we want to do a data table, and these are the prices in pounds, and we want profit in dollars. So do a one-way table, highlight like that, and do table. Now this is a column input cell because the price is in a column, and this is price in pounds. Okay, so now we have to press the F9 key. We didn't change the calculation options for this file, so let's do F9, press F9. Okay, now let's plot the profit on the y-axis and price on the x-axis. So since the y-axis values are to the right, you can highlight both x and the y columns and go to scatter plot. We don't need a legend. And now let's give titles. Profit versus price in UK. Horizontal axis is price per unit. Okay, and that's in pounds. Vertical axis is profit, and that's in dollars. And let's change the x-axis format axis, okay, to go from 25. So the maximum profit occurs somewhere around here at 42, the price of 42 pounds. Now let's run a solver table for the exchange rate. Okay, go to solver table, run solver table. It's a one-way table. Input cell is that. And let's see, we want to go from $1.3 to a pound to a maximum value of 2 in increments of 0.1. And we want the price and profit, control click, then click OK, and here it is. So as the exchange rate increases, that is, if dollar weakens, then you'll be able to price the product in UK at a lower rate and still make a larger profit.